So check this out. I've made this voice agent for an international travel and tour agency. So basically what the agent does, it automates the reservation, the inquiry, and everything in regard with booking and packages regard. So the front end is powered by ElevenLabs, and the beauty of ElevenLabs in this case is that the power of understanding multiple languages, the clients from France, the clients coming from Middle East, so automatic language detection, which will be saving cost. And then the backend now is orchestrated in 8NN. So if you don't know, 8NN is a platform for automating AI workflows and building AI agents. So we'll test it real quick and then show you how it was built. So I'll test the agent.
Welcome to Good Hope Travel and Tours. I can help you discover our amazing travel packages. Where are you dreaming of going?
For today, I'm not planning to travel anywhere. I'm just here to look for a reservation, appropriate time, and if you guys could book me a reservation, a time so that I can book appointment, will be good. Could you schedule appointment for me at tomorrow from 4 to 5 p.m.?
Certainly, I can help you with that. Let me just check the availability for tomorrow between 4 and 5 p.m. for you. I am sorry. It seems I am having a technical problem checking the availability for tomorrow from 4 to 5 p.m. Would you like me to try checking for a different time or day?
Okay, try checking from 5 to 6 p.m. and see how that goes. From 5 to 6?
Certainly. Let me check the availability for tomorrow between 5 and 6 p.m. for you. Great news. I can confirm that tomorrow, September 20th, 2025, from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. is available. To book this appointment for you, I'll need your full name, email address, phone number, and a brief reason for the meeting. Could you please provide those details?
Okay, my name is Kevin, and the basis of doing this reservation is I want to know the budget for traveling to South Africa, what budget I should have travel South Africa, and my name, my email is meshakago24@gmail.com, and my phone number is +254 768 322 488, +254 768 322 488. Is there any detail that is missing?
Thank you, Kevin. Just to confirm, your name is Kevin, your email address is meshakago24@gmail.com, and your phone number is +254 768 322 488. The reason for your meeting is to discuss the budget for traveling to South Africa. Your appointment is scheduled for tomorrow, September 20th, 2025, from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Could you please confirm your email address one more time for me, just to ensure it's correct?
My email address is meshakago24@gmail.com, which is spelled as meshakago24@gmail.com.
Thank you for confirming your email address, Kevin. It's meshakago24@gmail.com. I now have all the details to book your appointment for tomorrow, September 20th, 2025, from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. to discuss your travel budget for South Africa. Excellent. Your appointment with Good Hope Travel and Tours has been successfully booked for tomorrow, September 20th, 2025, from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. We look forward to discussing your South Africa travel budget with you. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
And probably could you tell me what's the benefit of visiting South Africa?
South Africa offers a vibrant blend of modern culture and historical significance, making it an incredible travel destination. You can enjoy thrilling wildlife safaris, explore bustling cities like Johannesburg, and experience luxurious resort relaxation. It's perfect for adventure, family vacations, or a luxurious safari experience with diverse landscapes and incredible wildlife.
Thank you. And just to be sure, is Good Hope providing packages to South Africa? Do you have any package to South Africa?
Yes, absolutely. Good Hope Travel and Tours offers a fantastic package to South Africa. It's a 3-night, 4-day trip to Sun City and Johannesburg, priced from $589 US. This package combines luxurious stays with exciting wildlife safaris and resort relaxation, including game drives at Pilanesberg Game Reserve and exploring Johannesburg's rich culture.
Okay, interesting. And so here is a quick overview of how I built the agent. So it's a support agent, and literally the default language comes as English. And for this one, I didn't need to add the languages here because when you look down here, I've already detected the language that the user will be speaking in through. So that didn't matter a lot. So here is a welcome message, and apparently 11 Labs are introducing this a variable. So if at all you are using some specific variable like time UTC and you need to change it, you can use these variables. But I'm already handling that in the backend using 8NN. So here is a system prompt, personality variable, and here is where you discuss the tools that agents are supposed to use. So you can play around with this. And then just to let you notice, if at all you are planning your agent to use other tools, you probably want to go with a more powerful AI model like Google Gemini 2.5 Flash. By default, here it comes with 2 Flash, and that one will also process your data fast, but it won't be accurate. So go with either ChatGPT or Google Gemini 2.5 or Cloud. The temperature, I kept it at 4. So if you keep it at 0.1, it's on a scale of 0.1 to 1. So if you keep it at 0.1, it won't be more creative, but it will be more accurate. If you keep it at 1, it will be more creative, but might be a little bit less accurate based on your data knowledge. So it's good to keep it on the middle. So the limit token -1 literally means the token never ends, so based on the call. And then you provide a knowledge base. For this case, I went with a PDF, but you can provide a URL for your website. So PDF works good with me. So provide the agent with the ability to end a call and detect a language and skip terms. So, and then here is what matters a lot. So there are 2 webhooks here. So these are the tools that the agents are able to call in the backend. So I'll go with one, and they have a lot of similarities. So here is the name of the tool, and then the description of these tools, and then right here I have the webhook URL. And of course, after this, I'll need to add a header for security reasons, because once I've finished building this agent, it will went to production, so you need to add security. And then the query parameter is request. So literally, this is just like a JSON string. So you give it a string, and then the body. So the body collects it has 2 parameters within the body. So this and this. So I'll just walk quickly back to what goes here. So basically, it was that 11Labs introduced this workflow thing, but apparently I'm still not using it. So for the voice, I went with Sarah, but the best part is that you can add your own voice with this. So after all, I'll need to add the customer voice will be recorded and it will be uploaded right here. So also the rest you can keep as default. So the other thing that I thought was important was on the time. So if the client is quiet for long, it will take this time out. It will be 7 minutes. So, and then how you like the widget to be, to like this one, I've kept it at default. No much ado on that. So I'll go right away to 8NN. So on 8NN, I'm having a webhook right here, which is receiving the request from 11Labs, and because you are seeing me putting it to active on test mode. So once you're in production, you need to test this to active mode, and of course you will come right here and change this to production URL. So only that. So it's good using also Google Gemini 2.5 Flash here. A simple memory. Also in production, I'm going to change this to be a long-term memory. I gave it calendar and think. So think tool makes it process operation that require logical thinking, and of course there's date and time. So date and time, I realize the agent is way poor when it comes to processing date and time. So when you tell it tomorrow, how it will know that the day today and the day after tomorrow. So you have to give it this tool to be able to think that way. And then of course the prospect should be stored in this Google Sheet. So that's all. I'm still working on this, and it will be more accurate and more elaborate tutorial will be coming through. So the data is being uploaded here, and of course based on the prompt you can see everything came accurate apart from the phone number. And I think the phone number wasn't captured correctly just because of how I prompted the agent, which I'm going to fix that. I had given an example of a phone number and I think it went directly with this, so I'll need to change this, and that's all. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you need this workflow, you can visit customcx.com, and all the resources on this video will be available on the video description. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And probably just to discuss the cost of this, when I go to subscription. So actually, when you are on scale, these things start making sense, a little bit more sense. So because you can see after every, so here I'll be charged, you can see on every 1 minute. So this one here equates to 2 minutes. You'll be charged this amount. So it's 0.1 cents. It's 1 cent per 2 minutes. So as you go, you see it start making sense. So you can see it when you're on scale. This makes more sense. And of course, I've been trying to compare this with retail. The only difference that I'm seeing is that this one is more beneficial on scale than on retail, which is pay as you go, retail AI. But as soon as ElevenLabs will be able to introduce their own numbers instead of connecting to Twilio, I think it will be a game changer. So I literally believe there's much. So there this feature here which you can transfer to a number. So if you enable this, you'll be able to connect the number that you are trying to add to. So what happened here is that if the agent cannot resolve the issue of a client, it can contact the agent, and the agent will now, the real human agent will now speak with the client online. So this is really a game-changing feature, and I believe there's, and of course ElevenLabs are changing, bringing new features within their platform daily. So yeah, the day I'm uploading the next video, probably there will be a new feature, because recently they've just included this feature right here. So thank you so much.